What's up, guys? What's going on? All right, so in this video, I want to showcase how we were able to catch over 500 trips, over 500 pips trading gold in less than 24 hours in my Discord. Now, I'm going to go and show you guys exactly when I wrote it down so you guys can see, right? We had Monday update, gold floating with 200, take profit was hit for 231 pips. Second take profit was hit this morning for 344 pips. All right, so if we go and break this down as well, I'm going to showcase exactly what I took, what we saw, why we took it, and so forth. So based off of this, when it comes to trading, you guys already know I like to prioritize three things: market structure, support resistance, candlestick analysis, right? So from that, I'm either entering based off one of those things as well, and this was no different. So we understand that when it comes to gold, it likes to hit levels of quarter points and then it reacts from there. Right. So based off of this, we see that during market open on Sunday, price literally came to about like that 250 area, which is a quarter point, and then we start to pull back. So I noticed that this was my level of support, my level of resistance, and then my high one after that. So we dropped down to the hour time frame to see the details that we're looking for. Based off of Monday, right? What we want to see is how did price come and pull back to it, right? So what we did was literally this controlling candle right here is what was important. Why? Because we were playing around with this area. It wasn't until this candle that pulled us out of that, which really broke structure and showed that we are going to continue going down. So during London, price that came up, wicked off of that one and came back down and hit a level of minor support. So based off of this, yesterday morning, we were looking for a buy. However, we needed price to fully break out this to confirm that that's what it's going to be. As we can see here, it wasn't until this candle right here at 12 o'clock. Really, it was 12:05. I'm not mistaken the exact time. Let me go to it. I think it was 12:05, 12:03, 12:05, one or two. Where are we at? June. Right. Oh yeah, it was. All right. So it was right here. Right. So literally, as you guys can see on a minute time frame, this is the candle that broke out of this to confirm. So it says it's breaking retest is holding, and we should have no problem going up. So the first take profit that we took with that one was 312. The reason why I decided to take it to 312 is because for some weird reason, every time gold breaks a level of 100, we hit about like that 312, 316 area before it starts to do anything. And there's no difference. So pretty much all that means is literally like if we break 300, ideally we'll go towards like 312, 316, and then we'll start to pull back. So that's why I had it there. So that was the first trade we had took, right? Based off this one, right? Structure aligned with this one. That's why we took that. Now, second one we took last night, we're taking it to 348. The reason why we're taking it to 348 is because if you guys can see, right, let's take everything off. But if you guys can see, once we break past this area, we have no choice but to go to where? Structure. And the structure that we have will be retesting these highs. We have a controlling candle. Price came up, retested that based off the structure. It gave us a lower high there. Well, technically it's high as high because this is a low, but right, we were testing it there. So if we break past this, we have no choice but to come to that area. Add it to that, right? That right there is around 350, which is a quarter point. So again, as I said, gold loves to move with quarter points. And again, this was no different. So now we dropped down to the 15 when we went towards live trading session last night, and it was around this area over here. So we're on a live call. And if we go over to it, here, if we go over to it, what we were waiting for with this to break out. Why? Because we can see price that came, right? Rejection over here, rejection over here, rejection over here. However, we can also see that higher lows are coming into play. So yes, we have this. We're pretty much capturing price and wedging in. Yes, we have this resistance, but these higher lows is very important because it's showing us that price wants to break out. We just have to wait until the candle confirms to us that is what's going to happen. So it wasn't until 350. I think it was like 350. Oh, this one. It wasn't until 850, which we can see that price is now showing you that we're breaking out of there, right? We had a 30 pip stop loss, and I'll take profits about like 340 pips. So a good like a 1 to 10 that we had on that one. Very solid trade. But again, as we see as well, price had hit us 350. It wasn't until I think I woke up and the shit got hit. So let's see exactly. It wasn't that candle. It had to be somewhere over here. It was 48 flat. So here. So it wasn't until 617 that I take profit was hit. But yeah. So again, we do see that price did go to 350, which was that quarter point. But I just want to break down both trades, why we took that, what we're waiting for, and how simple we make trades. Well, we make traded. Now, I feel that when it comes to trading, you have to trade your system, but it also deals with waiting until price comes your way, right? It's not just jumping in the market because you feel price going up or price going down. It's waiting until you have full confirmation based on your trading plan that price is going to go up or price is going to go down. Now, if this is something that you're looking more forward of when it comes to live trading sessions, we do this on a daily basis, whether that's in the morning or at night. In my Discord, the link is in the description below. I hope this video was beneficial for you guys. I really don't see gold slowing down. I think that we are going to break 400 sometime probably later this week, especially with the news that we have. And that's really because DXY is just fucking collapsing. Oops. But yeah, I hope this video was great for you guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment below. Until next time, guys, peace out.